To create your online abstract submission form in Drifter, you need to go to abstract submissions and then go to submission questions. There you can choose from up to 15 field types, including input box, yes no question, multi-select drop down, multiple choice questions, select drop down, file upload field, uh, and multiple input boxes, all sort of things. And so you create these fields just like the I have created here, and I'll just show an example. So if I choose file upload field, you need to enter your name for your file upload field, like upload your poster or abstract maybe, and select the file formats in which you want to allow people to upload their files, set the file size limit, and enable multiple file upload if you want them to allow to upload multiple files, and then you select all the tags and types where you would like this field to be displayed. So Drifter allows you to have different set of questions for different types and topics and tracks. So if this question is supposed to be displayed for all the types and topics and tracks, then you should select all types and topics and tracks. If this is supposed to be displayed only for a specific type, for example, let's say post representation, then you should unselect all of it and just select post representation. And once you are done with that, you scroll down to make it mandatory if you want this, if this field is something which is required for your users, for your authors, and then make it active. And yeah, that's it. Now if you have a conditional logic field, for example, where you would like them to select an option like this one here. So if someone is a student, then only this field should come up. So if they select yes, then this field would come up. So you can have a conditional logic field. So I'll use this field as a conditional logic. So you need to select the parent field for this for this field. So I'll just select what do you want to submit, an award. So if someone selects award, then only this file upload field would pop up. A few notes here. Before you create the submission questions, you should create the types and topics. So you can select the questions that you want to allow to display for a specific type or topic. Within the types, you can also set the deadlines for each type and each type. Otherwise, you can just leave it empty. So it would then respect the deadline that you have configured under the global settings right here. So yeah, this is it. This is all you need to do to create all the questions you need in the submission form. And if you want, you can also split your form into multiple sections like this one here. Uh, Section for uploading your posters, section for your objectives. I mean, there is no limit to what you can do with Drifter submission platform. And once you are done creating the form, you are now ready to launch your call for submission. So go to the front end, and there you would create enable the create account menu, which you can enable from the website designer tool. And once it is enabled, this one, once it is enabled, people would go to create account page to create their accounts, and they would then log into their accounts. If they already have an account, they would log in with the existing credentials, and then they would be taken to their dashboard, from where they can go to my proposals to submit their proposals. If they already have some existing submissions in their dashboard, then they can edit them until the deadline. Or if they have been if their abstracts have been accepted or their proposals have been accepted, then they would be allowed to upload their final presentations. Those whose abstracts or proposals have not been accepted, they would not be able to upload their final presentations. Uh, so, so yeah, this is it. This is how you would be able to collect submissions through the Drifter submission platform. Thank you.